Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by y squared. So we have 1 over y dy over y squared dx. This is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over y. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative sign in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change for v, this one we change for negative first derivative of v. Later that we multiply by negative number 1 for the both sides. So we can see that we have v and first derivative of v. So this is about linear differential equations. So I will put about integrating factor. So we need to find mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that we have negative number 1. So negative number 1, that is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. And we have e to the power of negative s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of 8 multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of 8 multiplied by b, and this one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, that is about y equals to ab. So this one we have ve to the power of negative s. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv, that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration e to the power of negative s. dx. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative s, and I will put about c. So this one, that is about this one. About v, that is about 1 over y. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.